I welcome you all to today's class by Advanced English Language Academy. This is Yasin, your English language instructor. Today we're going to be talking about a very important point that will improve your fluency. If you want to speak more like native speakers, if you want to sound more like native speakers, so you have to practice phonology. That's been my topic for a long time, and I've been teaching my students. I've been teaching on social media everywhere because I want to improve my students' accents. I want to improve my viewers' accent. So if you remember, we have taken classes on assimilation, elision. I also uploaded a short on intrusion, but then I decided let's talk with some details so that all my viewers and my students understand the topic. Actually, assimilation, elision, intrusion, even juncture, these are practiced to maintain the fluency in your speech. If you think about your mother tongue, you speak Urdu, Pashto, Hindi, German, or any language. So it is in a flow. You don't pause. You didn't say and these sorts of things, or these sorts of things. You don't say that. So actually, English is also in a flow. When you speak English, so you will either be speaking wrong English, I mean you'll be pausing from time to time, which will lead to improper English. Or you will speak fast English. Fast English. I was very happy to know that I passed my 6 English like that. That's also not proper English. Proper English will be when you practice phonology. And phonology, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you can watch my videos about assimilation, elision, and there is also a short on intrusion. So let's talk about today's topic, intrusion. Intrusion is a technique in which a non-existing sound comes and joins the other sounds, and the purpose is just to maintain the fluency in that speech. So in intrusion, the sound is not there. The sound that we will talk about now, it's not there, but it comes and replaces. Sorry, it doesn't replace. It joins the other sounds, and the purpose is, again, to maintain the flow in your speech. So if you want to sound more like native speakers, if you want to speak fluent English, this class is going to help you a lot. So now this sound, the ch sound, it is not here. If you see don't you, there is no ch. But if you say don't you, you try to say it faster. Repeat after me. Don't you, you can't say that. Don't you understand? Don't you understand? You can't say that. So there should be a flow. For flow, we will introduce the ch sound and it will become don't you. So as you just smoothly, with no problem, just relax. You say that, don't you understand? Don't you understand what I'm teaching now? So there will be a flow in your speech. Let's take a look at the next example. Want you. If you say want you. So when you go from ch to y, there will be a gap because the articulation of these sounds are different. T comes from some other place while y comes from some other place. So when you go from t to y, so you don't feel that pause because you are not a native speaker. But there is a pause. Want you. You can't directly go from t to y. So you'll have to introduce the ch here also. So if you say want you come for the party? So there will be a slow in your speech. And the next one is can't you. If you want to speak British English, you will say can't you. And if you want to speak American English, you will say can't you. Okay? Can't you and can't you. So now the ch is not here also, but the sound joins these existing sound. Ch was a non-existing sound, and it made can't you. So it means that the ch join to maintain the flow in the speech. Now let's talk about the intrusive j sound. Not every time the ch will be a joining sound, okay? Not every time you have to bring ch. Sometimes you have to bring ch, sometimes j. And we will talk about the intrusive R also, but today our topic is only intrusive ch and intrusive j. Okay? So, did you, if you say did you understand? Did you understand? You can say that. Because again, the articulations are different. D and y. D comes from some other place and y comes from some other place. So, when you say did you, there is a gap, there is a pause. But when you say did you brought y sound, okay? So when you say did you understand? So there is a flow in your speech. Same is the case with would you. Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like one? Okay? You can't offer me anything in Ramadan. In Ramadan, you can only offer fritters or patties, these sorts of things. So, would you like? So when you say would you, so j is an intrusive sound. It doesn't exist here. It joined these sounds, and the purpose is to maintain the fluency in the speech. Could you open the door? So here, j came, j, and j. So today we talked about two intrusive sounds only. The ch sound and the j. Intrusive ch and intrusive j. Stay tuned with us. Our next class is going to be about intrusive r sound. So that's what we had here today. Ta-ta for now.